Hello, I am Ramakrishna. In the last session, we created Core Docker demo using .NET Core web application. In this demo, we will see how to publish this Docker image to Azure App Service. Let us verify the image we created in the last session. If you are not able to follow this, please watch my last video, Docker part 1, in which we create the new image using Visual Studio. So this is the image we created using Visual Studio and we published it to Docker Hub. So now let us use this image and create an app service using Azure services. So let us publish the image, Docker image we created in the last session using app service. I already logged into portal.azure.com. If you guys don't have an account, you can sign up for a 30 days free trial. So let us create an app service in Azure portal. I already have few app service created. Let us create a new one. So this is the interface to create a new app service. As you know, we created a Docker image in the Linux platform, so we need an app service to be created in the Linux platform. So first we create a resource group. We can use the already existing group or we can create a new one. For this demo purpose, let us create a new one. Let's give a proper name. We are going to create a resource group called .NET Core Demo Resource Group. Click OK. Now, so guys, here the name we gonna give will be the URL for our application we are gonna hosting. So let us give a proper name which and see that domain is available in the Azure. We can see that the domain DNS if available, there will be a right mark in the right corner of this text box. Now, so we are hosting from the Docker image. Select publish method as a Docker container, and we are using Linux operating system, and the region by default let it be Central US. And for this demo purpose, 1 GB memory, CPU and Linux pen is more than enough for us. And click on next. So here in the image source we select Docker Hub, and in the image name and tag we give the repository name. We give one for this. To get the repository name, just switch to if you remember in the last video we created the image in this repository. So this is the image. In the right side we can see that the Docker push command. Just copy the instance name and the image name along with the user ID and paste it here, and remove this tag name and replace with latest command. So that's it, guys. So our app service is ready to create. Now just click on review and create. So Azure will give this preview before creating the app service. You can see that the subscription detail, the resource group, name of the app service, the type of publish container, and everything is fine. Let's just create this app service. Yes, it will take a while to create a new app service. We can see in the notification side, once successful app service created, in this dashboard we will get URL in the right side of here. Now deployment is complete, and go to the resource. In this dashboard we can see the URL. Just click on this to make sure this up and running. Well, website is successfully published. We can see all the string we given in the index page. Well, that's it guys. In this video we successfully able to publish Azure App Service using Docker image. In the next video we'll see how to configure CI/CD, that is continuous integration and continuous delivery using app service pipelines for a Docker image. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and give a like to this. Thank you.